there is going to be major, and I do absolutely mean some major blessings coming for many of you. And I know sometimes, depending on where you are in your life, it just seems that this is a fantasy. It's not a fantasy, but it's indeed a reality. Because I want you to understand something. That some people stole things from you. And they don't understand why they're losing it today. Why they're losing control. Why they're losing their mind. Why they're losing influence. Why they're losing in life right now. And although I don't marvel in the defeat of any, even our enemy, but I want you to understand that the reason why is because you are gaining it in your hands. See, when a thief comes in your life, a thief will come in various forms to steal, to kill, and to destroy. And although it was a thief, a spiritual thief, that has been assigned to your bloodline to hold you captive in your life. Now the Spirit of the living God has begun to pry the hands of your enemy open, and they have to let God's people go. Things are getting a little bit shaky in our environment. It seems a little fragile right now. Everything seems so very spiritually fluid in the heavens because there is a shift in power going on. God has restored power back to the hands of his chosen people. God has given you everything back that your enemy has stolen from you. And although right now it may not seem that it is happening, I want you to understand this, that God has revealed to me that spiritually it has already happened. The only thing that God really wants you to do is to keep your focus on God so he can get you through. The only thing that you really need to do is focus your entire mind on him and what he can do for you. Because I want you to know that the task at hand may not be an easy task, but if you're strong and you're courageous and you meditate and you fast and you pray on the things of God, then there's nothing that they can do to tear your life apart. Because I want you to know this, that everything that your enemy has stolen from you, he's got to give it back. The reason why things are so disruptive and so topsy-turvy right now in this whole environment is because spiritually there is a war going on. And our God is fighting battles that you don't even know about to get power back into your hands. All you have to do today is whatever is troubling you, whatever is worrying you, is give it to God and let it go. God wants you to give him the space in your mind, in your heart, and in your circumstance for him to work for you. I know it's interesting because we are so used to proving ourselves in this environment, to showing everyone that we are strong, proving that we're worthy and that we're faithful and that we're good for it. God is like, I've already created you. I know that you're faithful. I know that you're awesome. I know that you are anointed. I know that you're favorable. I know that you have a niche that you haven't figured out yet. I know all the good things about you. Just relax, let go, and give me control. Because I want you to know, thus saith the Lord, that everything that your enemy has stolen from you, they didn't even steal it. God allowed them to borrow it. And now it's time for you to get it back. And until the next video, guys, peace. Because I still be believing in you. Bye now.